Libra, this is your October month career read. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you like the reading, if it resonates, please do hit like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question in your mind, I will also answer that question just in case the cards answer that question to me. And mind it that this should be related to your career only because this is a general career reading. So we have King of Cups, Ten of Cups, the High Priestess, the Moon, Queen of Cups, and Four of Wands. It's a very beautiful energy, Libra. A lot of abundance, a lot of wish fulfillment, and money and recognition and happiness is coming on your way, Libra. Congratulations. So Libra, a lot of good things, and we have the starting of the month is King of Cups. This shows that those of you who are looking for a job, this is the time when you'll get your dream job. If you are looking for a promotion or some hike in your salary or pay, or a job change, this is the time you are going to get it. You planned it in a nice manner, and you'll have it. Okay, and then we have starting of the month, we have King of Cups. It shows that you are stepping into a role of leadership, and this leadership is a very fulfilling and very calm, and you are handling the workplace, the challenges and maturity, with all the challenges, maturity and diplomacy, you are handling it very nicely, very smoothly. And Libra, just in case you have got an offer where your role is of some high authority or management and you are doubting whether you will be able to handle it or not, this is a sign you are going to do it in a very beautiful way. Okay, take that opportunity. You are balanced right now, you are earning respect, people are recognizing your talent, and you are leading a lot of people in the month of October, Libra. Okay, and then we have Ten of Cups, which shows that there is career fulfillment, harmony. The things that you did, you are feeling so fulfilled, you are feeling happy about the work that you are doing, you are aligned right now, and you are finding joy in your current role. So if you are looking for a job, you're going to get a job, and the job that you're going to get is going to fulfill your goals. You will be a team player, your team will achieve victory, you are receiving support from family and colleagues, and you're reinforcing the professional path basically. And then we have the High Priestess, which says that you are very highly intuitive this time, and maybe Libra, this is all that you have manifested. You were getting intuitions that something like this is about to happen, and it is actually happening right now. Okay, and also, just in case if you have any doubt about something and your mind says that this should be done, but your heart is saying no, recheck the path, then listen to your heart. Okay, you are very intuitive right now, you are in your best intuitive mind right now, and you should listen to your intuitions when it is about making choices. And if something feels off in the job offer or contract or partnership that you are receiving, then please listen to your inner voice. This will guide you. Okay, anything, if you are about to sign a contract for something, if you are about to be a part of a new organization or a community or anything, just think about you, just see what your intuitions are telling you. And if your intuitions are telling you that there is something fishy, because we have the moon. So if your intuitions are telling you that there is something fishy, then there is something fishy. Okay, we have this moon card, which shows that there is some illusions or warning associated with your professional environment. So there might be the people that you are working with or the new organization that you're about to join, they might have some hidden agendas. So you have to make sure that before you sign that contract or before you take that position, you should be very clear about all the responsibilities and roles that you are about to play, the liabilities that they will invite once you take the position. And also keep in mind that there are people around you because who are not communicating in a very clear and concise manner, and they are creating confusions about things. And They are, you have long term goals about this position, but they are creating confusions. They are hiding something they have. They are not very much, happy about the things that you are achieving in life, Libra, right now. So be very cautious of what you deal with whom you deal, and be very sure that your intuitions are approving that sign, and they are okay with this. Be Any paperwork that you do, Libra, make sure that you have read that very carefully, because I can see the unclear communication. So if somebody comes to you and says that this is the standard contract that everybody has to sign, so just sign it and leave it there, this is nothing to read, don't do that. Read it. You are going to enter into a very powerful position right now, and this has a lot of responsibilities. You are emerging as a leader. We have three card: the high priestess, queen of cups, king of cups. So you are in that energy, that leadership energy, and when you are about to lead people, you have to be very clear in your mind. Okay, so there should be no confusion about it, because you are going to tell hundreds of people where they have to go. So be very cautious. And we have Queen of Cups, which mirrors King here, and it shows that there is emotional intelligence and compassion. Libra, you are a very beautiful person. You are not, you don't always think from your brain. You always, there is always a hard component involved when you think about things. Okay, so you have a lot of compassion and emotional intelligence, and you are going to mentor people, you are going to guide people. This role I'm seeing, maybe some of you are going to get something in teaching, um, because there is a lot of guidance and mentorship here, and some of you might be getting into administrative job. I am seeing a permanent position, like a government position, where you are leading people. So this might be any leadership role where you are the part of the management sort of a position, right? And we this the offer that you're getting, it is a very authoritative position where you are telling people, okay, you are guiding people, you are assisting them, you are leading them, and they are looking very high upon you. They are considering you as someone who will help them. And you have Queen of Cups, so you are looking at them with a sense of empathy. You are uh, like uh, like actually like a queen. You are trying to help your people. This is what is happening. So we have Queen of Cups, we have King of Cups. This shows that you are getting into some good positions where you are representing the public. And it's more like a it's it could be you are becoming the head of some community or union, and you are representing them, and you are trying to help them to get out of their problems. This is what you're doing. So a lot of energy of a teacher, a lot of energy of administrative positions, some higher administrative positions is there. And the end of month closes with Four of Wands, which is a beautiful, beautiful ending. It is a sense of achievement, recognition, and stability. So, those of you who are unemployed right now, embrace yourself. You are going to get something very beautiful in the month of October. And by the end of October, you have completed the project that you were involved. You are celebrating your success. You're getting the new role, and you are feeling secured and satisfied, and you are helping the people. So this job that you are going to get, or the promotion that you are about to receive, or the job that you are doing, this will not only fulfill you monetarily, but also emotionally. It will also fulfill you emotionally and mentally. And this is your this job offer, this new opportunity or partnership that you're about to enter. It's emotional fulfillment as well as your financial fulfillment. A very beautiful reading, Libra, I must say.